beautiful. And hope you are enjoying also watching this video. Don't forget to comment if you love this place, because I am really enjoying watching this view. The helipad of building look in the top. Biggest boat. Wow, this is family boat, you know, you can enjoy well if you are paying good money. And some cafeteria restaurant. Look, the many people are going inside. Maybe have big money for ticket. I don't like go there. I mean, I want to try that little small boat, but I cannot make video if I take that. Should be 2%. The one riding and another one should be vlogging. Wow, look the boat, beautiful. Man, what a life of Hamda. The boat name is Hamda. The entering place from here. How beautiful boat. The boat service area this is. Many people are here with family, with friends, and you can take ticket from here and enjoy your life. Look the ball building there. Wow, what is this? It's small, just like Al Mazaz Kayak. The place name is Al Mazaz Kayak. The different name of this place. day of Buhaira Corniche, second day of festival evening. The people are enjoying like this, guys. I'm really happy to see this place, and hope you are enjoying also watching this video. And don't forget to comment if you love with this place. But I am really enjoying watching this view and boat, people. Actually, for the first time I came here. Before I didn't come. I don't know also. I just watching from there, this area. But today I'm live here.